Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your graphics card on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. In order to check your graphics card, you should either right-click on the taskbar or press and hold if you are not using a touchpad nor mouse, and click on Task Manager. Now I'm gonna move it to this window, and if we go to this tab, which is Performance, you can go to GPU. And in my case it says it's the Intel Iris Xe graphics, so it's not really performative, but I think good enough for daily tasks, and you can see more data about it right here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.